How to log out of Facebook on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log out of Facebook on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of Facebook on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Facebook application. And as you can see, I'm currently logged into my account. So what if now I want to log out of my Facebook account? In order to do that, you have to make sure to tap the menu icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the menu icon, scroll down. Here you'll find the option called Logout. Tap on it and you'll find the logout option, and then you will be able to successfully log out of your Facebook account on iPhone. This way you'll be able to log out of Facebook account on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.